Welcome to this beautifully maintained waterfront home located at the end of a quiet dead-end street with no through traffic. Offering 1,125 feet² of comfortable living space, this one-bedroom, one-bathroom is an ideal starter home or a perfect low-maintenance second home. Inside you will find an enclosed front porch that offers excellent potential for additional year-round living space leading into a large living room. The spacious eat-in kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and flows into a convenient mudroom where the washer and dryer are located. There is also an outside entrance in the mudroom. The oversized bedroom is located off of the beautifully updated bathroom, which also features an adjacent storage/pantry space. Step outside to enjoy direct water access right from your backyard, giving you the ultimate setting for relaxation. There is also a detached garage perfect for storing your outdoor water toys. Situated in a prime location close to fine dining and approximately 20 minutes from the Jersey Shore beaches. This unique coastal retreat combines peace, privacy, and convenience. Though the home is in very good condition, it is being sold as is.